At 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Saskatchewan. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Grand Coulee, Balgony, Peapot Reserve, Wilcox, Carine, Estlin, Bladgard, Cronow, Ryston, Indian Head, St. Aluta, Vibink, Sedley, Odessa, Qu'Appelle, Edgeley, and Assiniboine Reserve. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.